Hey everybody, we just got the Peak Prime 2.0. We put it together today. We did all the other videos, so check out my channel for those other videos. But I just want to do a real quick comparison from the old grills to the new grills. And I know they're different sizes. This is the old Daniel Boone, which is the ledge version of this. So it's a little bit smaller. This is the Peak, that's the other one. But what I want to point out is this one is, like, this was built sturdy. This thing is absolutely rock solid. And a couple of the differences is this tray, the front tray, comes with this one. Didn't come on this one. And one thing that I always wanted to have is a second temperature probe. This actually comes with it, so there's two probes on the new grills. I like that the stack comes out the back instead of coming out over here, because actually if you look at that tray, it's all greasy. That thing drips all over and I can hardly use that tray. So I like that they put the stack out the back, and now I got two trays that I can actually use. Every once in a while you want to clean your grill. They actually thought of this. There's a shop vac door that you can actually open the door right here and open and use your shop vac. You just stick your shop vac attachment right on there and it'll suck all the stuff out instead of disassembling everything here. The auger system. This has AC and DC current, so it'll hook up to your car. It's got a cigarette lighter, and there's many benefits to the AC and the DC voltage difference. But one of the biggest is the auger system. There's about 20 pounds of torque on this auger system, so you got a little moisture in there, that auger, it's really grinding. There's 32 pounds of torque on this one. Now, I want to point out some of the obvious differences too. On this one, if I want to see how many pellets are left, I got to open it up and look. This one has a really nice glass door. On this one, there's no shield. On my oven, I got the glass shield, just like they have on this one. It's really nice. I don't know how many times I was out here at 5 a.m. with my headlamp, and I got to open this up, and I got to open up the grill. On that one, I'm letting heat out. Now, I got a little viewing area, and I just turn the light on, and I can see my food in there, see how it's doing. I would imagine this is gonna smoke up over time, so I'll have to clean it, but it is an advantage of the grill. Now the app on the new one, I can basically adjust everything in the app, and we'll go into that in a different video, but auger torque, all kinds of stuff. I can adjust anything I want in the app. I do like also on this one, if there's hot spots, they have this little system right here that is hooked to the heat shield, and I can move it. Like if it's hotter on this end, I can push it in and move the heat to that end, or vice versa. I can move it this way and change where the hot spot is on the grill. One of the other things I really do like on this grill is on this drip tray here, they have this little swing, this thing that swings and it sits in a groove. So basically this isn't going to pop off here. And the thing I like about that is because I was just pulling this out of the garage today. There's a little hook that sits on, and that thing just dropped and dumped grease all over the place. One of the other features is, now I got them both going right now, we are cooking. I do have a rack that I can set in there if I need room for extra food. This one has a rack system. Now it does come as an accessory. I did buy it, and let me show you how much food you can actually put on this grill due to this racking system. So we're cooking pork belly burnt ends here. We're cooking pork belly spin wheels here. We got some chicken wings over here. We got some soup beans and ham that we're letting all the drippings go into here.
And there's still room.
Yeah, and there's still room. So a lot of food fits on this grill. And I do want to point out, not that this is the end of the world or this is the reason why I buy it, but I got a bottle opener built into this grill. Right on the front. They have the rotisserie holes built in. They're not in the old grill. And if you ask me, Green Mountain has used these grills, and they have literally thought of everything that I would want in a new grill, and they put it in here. I can't wait to get in and start plugging through the app and see how that goes. Sully's getting the chicken wings off the grill right now because they are done. But
food first.
This grill is night and day different than this grill. But I gotta say, I still love it.
I love you too.
Sully loves it because it's now gonna be his grill. But I love all the new features. I love the grill. I can't wait to use it even more. I can't imagine how many pork butts we can put on this thing, and we will keep cooking. We'll keep updating you. I appreciate you watching this video. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.